What's up, Technova here for Troubleshoot, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be tackling a rather common issue that you may experience with Discord, a simple error whenever you join a voice chat that shows up in the bottom left instead of voice connected or connecting, it says RTC connecting, and it simply gets stuck there. It's rather annoying. What exactly can we do to try and solve this? Well, usually it's one of two culprits. Either it's your computer or it's the Discord network. Before we start troubleshooting things too seriously, if you came across to this video, simply head across to the description down below and look for the Discord status link. Simply head across to discordstatus.com and you'll look at this page over here. What you want to see is all of these four up here are operational, and when you expand voice, you'll see a whole bunch of countries. Find the country that your server is currently set to and make sure it says operational next to it. If it does, then things should be working properly, and this issue is probably on your side rather than Discord's. If it says anything else other than operational, it may be an issue with Discord and they may already be working on fixing it. Let's assume that everything is operational, but you're still receiving that Discord RTC error. What exactly can we do? Well, the easiest thing to do is try and restart Discord. Hit Ctrl Shift and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to bring up Task Manager. Alternatively, Ctrl or Delete and Task Manager there. What we're going to do is locate Discord on the list over here, right-click, and then click End Task. Then you'll be scrolling down on the list and looking for any other Discord applications. Right-click all of them and End Task on every single occurrence of Discord in this list here. After doing so, Discord is now completely closed and we can reopen it. Hopefully, things should be fixed and you'll be able to rejoin the server. Otherwise, what else can we try? Well, the other simplest solution is to make sure that A, your internet connection is working on other sites, such as doing a simple speed test, and B, trying to power cycle or restart your router and other networking equipment to make sure that it's not your local network. After doing all of that, then things should hopefully be working properly. Other than that, there are a couple of other things that we can try. Number one, if you're connected to or currently using a VPN, you may want to try and turn it off or possibly turn it on for this. Something that could be happening is a local issue with the network in your area, or at least in the area of the VPN that you're connected to. Connecting to a different location or your real location could be something that helps here, though of course, this isn't going to apply to everyone. Once in a while, my internet will act really weirdly. I can't use certain sites, so I connect to a local South African VPN, which is the same country that I live in. I get a couple of extra ping, maybe 5 or 6, but I'm able to use the internet perfectly normally until the issue is fixed on the ISP's side. Other than VPNs, which not everyone has access to, there's a couple of other things that we can try. Open up your user settings in the bottom left of Discord, then head across to voice and video, and we'll be scrolling down on this page over here until you see this, quality of service. Enable quality of service high packet priority. You might want to try and disable this to see if it helps fix the issue. Mine's off already, and it'll result in no real performance difference for Discord, though it could help fix issues like this over here. If you've tried absolutely everything, a last resort may be trying to flush your DNS on your computer. Basically, it gets rid of old cached website addresses and lets your PC connect them brand new. Hold Start, press R to bring up the Run dialog, and inside of here, type in CMD. When this new window opens up, type in ipconfig //flush DNS, one word, as such. After hitting enter, the command will be run and your DNS will be flushed on your computer, allowing you to get things anew. Now, hopefully, when you open up Discord, things work properly. If it doesn't, and you have access to something like a VPN, and that seems to fix the issue, or you'd just like to try this other fix, something you may want to do is try a different DNS server other than the default one given to you by your ISP. It may not be the best, or it may be a little bit slow with a certain change, causing you to have issues with Discord. How exactly can we fix this? Well, it's pretty simple. Hit Start and open up Settings. Inside of here, we'll be opening up Network and Internet. Then we'll click Change Adapter Options. When this new window opens up, locate the way that you're connected to the internet. I have a bunch of ones here as I'm hosting a bunch of virtual machines and VPNs, but we'll be clicking on the way that you're connected to the internet. More than likely, it'll either be wireless adapter or Ethernet. I'll right-click it, click Properties, and inside of this new window, I'll look for IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Click Properties after selecting it, and when this new window opens up, we'll be clicking Use the following DNS addresses, and inside of here, we'll type in one of the options that you currently see on screen. Google's is 8888. I'm simply going across to the next block by hitting spacebar, and Tab 8.8.4. 4 is Google's address. We also have 1.1.1.1, which is Cloudflare's DNS service, and I usually mix it in a way such as this, 8888.1111, using Cloudflare's as the primary and Google's as the alternative. Simply click Validate Settings upon exit and then OK to save changes. Your internet connection will drop temporarily, and when it comes back, hopefully things are working a bit better. If you'd ever like to undo that, you can go back to the same screen, and where we clicked Use the following DNS server addresses, you can change it to Obtain automatically. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully your issue has been solved. My name's been Techno here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!